step into the Ram 2020 3500 Laramie. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include fifth-wheel gooseneck towing prep group, engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, selective catalytic reduction, urea, dual 730-amp maintenance-free batteries Cummins turbo diesel badge heavy-duty engine cooling supplemental heater 220-amp alternator gross vehicle weight, 12,300 pounds current generation engine controller diesel exhaust brake capless fuel fill with O discriminator, chrome flat cab length side steps, safety group included, adaptive cruise control with stop adaptive steering system full speed forward collision warning plus lane keep assist, clearance lamps, 220 AMP alternator, protection group included, transfer case skid plate shield, dual rear wheels included, clearance lamps tires, LT235/80R17 EBS